and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Tropical Storm Marty in the East Pacific, which has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 1,002 millibars, and is moving west at 17 miles an hour. So let's get right on into it. Let's go down here and start off with our warnings and cone. So this is a fish storm and will remain at tropical storm intensity through the Tuesday-Wednesday time frame and quickly weaken back to a post-tropical cyclone on Wednesday into Thursday. So let's take a look at the wind speed probabilities with the arrival time of winds, and you can see that the probabilities drop very significantly, signifying that very quick, rapid weakening of the storm. So this should be a little, I would say a little less likely to be a longer term storm, but it could stay post-tropical for a while. So here is Marty on the satellite imagery. So you can see that there's a center of rotation right here, and that most of the thunderstorms are concentrated on the southwest side of the storm. So let's take a look at the current storm information, starting off with our global hurricane models showing this drifting slightly southward. It's hovering right around 20 degrees north. This is the remnants of Grace in the Atlantic, moved all the way over Mexico and is now Marty. So storm is going to start to track toward the south right around here. Some models show about 48 hours, others have it stalling out over here. Now the GFS, the GEFS, shows that decline around 72 hours from now. That southerly shift starts going southwest. And the GEPS actually doesn't show it going southward at all, but instead slowly creeping further north to about 23 degrees north. So, finishing off with our intensity guidance, this is going to be a short-lived tropical storm. And at the most, this stays a weak tropical storm throughout its entire lifespan. If not a very weak depression, the most of these models show this becoming a tropical depression in the next 24 to 48 hours. And most of the models have it below 25 knots, or 30 miles an hour, at around 60 hours from now. So here is the European ensemble showing that gentle drift toward the south, and it ends up around 18.5 degrees north. Finishing off here with the GFS, just going to look at where this goes, and you can see that it is a pretty weak storm. It's going to stay above 1,000 millibars for its entire lifespan before it eventually just dissipates. But it does leave the way for the Central American rainfall, the moisture, to pick up the slack and possibly produce another tropical system. And this is probably a setup storm to right over here. This is one of the disturbances that is currently out there. So, what do you think comes from Marty? Do you think that with this we see a little bit of a re-kickstart to the East Pacific hurricane season? Comment in the comment section down below. But that is all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.